Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD-CAM. So today video we are going to see how to use shift boss base command in SolidWorks. We will make pipe elbow. First we will make the sketch, then we will use shift boss base command to make elbow. And this elbow 2D drawing you will find on my blog. So please check out. So let's start. So first select the plane sketch, then select the line here. We'll draw a sketch here first. Okay. So select this line, press Ctrl, this line, make equal. Okay. Now the dimension, the length will keep 40 mm. Okay. Now select a fillet. Select this corner. Okay. And radius will keep 15 mm. Okay. So select your shift to boss base and select your circular profile. So select profile, will select this line, and here we will select 25 mm and select a thin feature and change the direction 3 mm. Okay. Okay. Now select this face sketch and select a convert entity and select a circle. Okay, and this side dia will keep 30 mm. Okay, then select your extrude boss base. Sorry, extrude boss base. Reverse direction. Then select your 10 mm. Okay. This side also select this face sketch, convert entity, and then select the circle. And select your dimension 32 mm. Okay, then here extrude boss base, reverse direction also. Okay. So now select your hollow wizard thread and select this face, the inner circle. So here in the condition we will select blind. Let's see. So select here 15 mm. So here we have to select metric tab because for internal thread we are using tab. So select a tab. So thread will keep 20 times 2.5. Okay. Okay. So now you can see our thread starting point is here, this edge. So we can't fit this pipe. So we will just edit this one. So selected thread and edit feature and just select your offset and reverse direction. So you can see you will now thread starting point from here. Let's see. Yeah, you can see now. Now starting point from here. Before it was from here. So same thing we will do this side. So select your hollow wizard thread and select this inner circle. This side also offset, reverse direction, blind 15 mm. Okay. Let's see the section view. Okay. Now you can see the section view. Let's close this one. Now select a fillet. This body, 1 mm. Okay. Let's define the material. So select here metal. Okay. Okay. is better. I hope you guys understand how we use swift boss base command. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks for watching.